Go. Okay, page 16. 1.2. Prime factorization. Yes, that's my Z right there. I realize it's got that little thing in the middle of it. Because my 2's look like this, and my Z's look like this. So I put that in the middle of it so that you can separate. This is always a Z. This is a 2 is in the number 2. Okay, 1.2 prime factorization. So, 1, what is the number, what does prime mean? If a number is prime, what does that mean? Actually, let's start off with factors. What is it? What are factors of a number? What does that mean? Yeah?
Like how many, like what can go into a number?
What can go into it? It's like what numbers you can add to get to it?
No, like what can you multiply to get it?
Yeah, what numbers you can, numbers you can multiply to get a number. So let's do some examples. Factors. Let's choose a number over 20, less than 50. Yeah?
Well, I know the prime factor.
Okay, we're starting off with just factors though. Yeah?
43.
Nope. Give me a number that I'm going to be able to work with more. 42. That much better. All right. 42. What are numbers? What are numbers that go into 42? What numbers can you multiply? What are the different combinations of numbers that you can multiply to get 42? Yeah?
2,
2 times.
4,
2 times what?
2 times 11.
Nope. That'd be 22. 2 times.
I got one. I got it.
21.
2 times 21. What else? Yeah. 42. What numbers can we multiply? 42 times 1. He took the easy one.
Yay!
Oops. 42 times 1. What else? Yeah.
7 times 4.
Nope. It is 7. 7 times
6.
6. What else? Yeah.
21. No. Yeah, 21 times. Wait, we just.
You already did that one. There's one more. It's the hardest one to get. I'll give you a clue. When you add up numbers, so if it is like 216, or it is 63, or it is 12, when you add up the individual numbers, if you can divide that number by 3, the number is divided by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 6 is 9. 9 you can divide by 3. Therefore, you can divide 216 by 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Therefore, 9 you can divide by 3. So therefore, 6 plus 3 you can divide by 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 you can divide by 3. Therefore, 12 goes into 3. This works for any number. It can be 1 billion, jillion, quadrillion. If you add up all the individual digits and that number is divisible by 3, the whole number is divisible by 3 automatically. Works every single time. 4 plus 2 is 6. Is 6 divisible by 3?
Yeah.
So 42 is divisible by 3. 3 times what is 42? If you don't know, you have to.
3 times 2.
3 times, nope, it's not 2. 3 times 2 is 6.
3 times 7.
Nope. 3 goes into 4. How many times?
1.
1. 1 times 3 is
3.
3. Subtract, I get 12. 3 goes into 12.
4.
4 times 3 times 4 is 12. 0. So 3 times
14.
I love that
14.
number.
So if I have a number like 42, if I'm going to write the, so that's the factors. So now we're going to go to prime. What are prime numbers? I'll give you a clue. These are all prime numbers right here. Yep.
Anything that could be multiplied by itself and 1.
Yes. Any prime numbers are numbers that only factors are 1 and itself. Numbers that their only factors are 1 and itself. So 2, the only way you can get 2 is 1 times 2. Only way you can get 21, is that a prime number?
No.
No, that's not a prime number. So if we're looking at prime numbers, that's not a prime number. 42, only way you can get it, 1 in itself? Nope. 1, only way you can get it, 1 times 1? Yep. 7, only way you can get it, 1 times 7? Yes.
Yes.
6, only way you can get it, 1 times 6?
No.
No.
Nope.
2 times
3, only way you can get it, 1 times 3? Yes. 14, only way you can get it, 1 times 14? No. So the prime factorization of this,
They're like
of
all
42,
uneven.
is 1, 2, sorry, the prime numbers that you can get there, 1, 2, 3, and 6. No, 1, 2, 3, and,
What about a 4? Maybe
7.
5?
but watch, there's more. 1 times 2 times 3 times 7. What do you think they're gonna get us?
1 times 2.
Any dot is multiplication.
6.
Yeah?
42.
42. Now this is the long way to find the prime factorization. I am here to make your lives easier. Thank you so much, Mr. Bernal. You're so awesome. This is good. We love this stuff. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. So the easier way to do this, to find prime factorization, is to do this. We break 42 into groups. Think of any number, any of those
21.
factors. 21? All right, 21 and 2. Are either of those prime?
No.
No. 2.
Yeah.
2 is.
Prime.
21 breaks them into what?
Living prime.
7,
And
6.
Nope.
No. 3.
Yep. Are either of those prime?
Yes.
Yes.
Yay.
All right.
Yay.
42 equals 2 times 3 times 7. Done. What am I missing here, though? The 1. Why do I not put the 1 on here?
Because
Because
1 times 2 is 2.
Yeah, it doesn't really do anything. It doesn't really matter. So prime factorization, this is the whole thing. If you can do this, this assignment's going to be super easy for you.
Wow.
And if you're like, hey, I'm not perfect at my multiplication tables, guess what? You can use your assignment notebook and do it that way.
Out there.
All right, just to, so there's other numbers here. Let's go through a couple more. 60.
I don't know.
You're looking in the book.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
30 times 2. Either prime.
You saw it. Here, look at it. Look. No.
30 breaks up into,
2, 2.
Yeah.
You can pick up
any number that goes into 30. Doesn't matter what it is.
2 and 15.
2 and 15. So she chose 2 and 15. You also could have chosen 3 and 10, or you could have chosen 6 and 5. It does not matter. Any way you do this, there are probably 15 different ways to do this problem. Any of them is going to give you the exact same answer. It does not matter which one you do.
But if you get it wrong, you'll get it wrong. So.
Well, if you do the wrong multiplication or division of stuff, then you're going to get it wrong, obviously. 15 breaks up into
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Either prime?
Yeah.
Yep, both are. So prime factorization of 60 equals 2 times 2.
2 times 3 times 5.
Done. That's it.
Hmm?
That's it? That's it? Oh my goodness.
Oh, you just copy the numbers from her.
All right, last
You're
one.
insane, Jarvis.
48. Braden, give me a number that goes into 48.
Now we can actually look at
Yep.
9.
Nope. Do your little trick. 9 goes into 45, goes into
1,
54.
4, 8,
24.
6, 7, 8,
24.
1,
24.
How many? 2 and 24. 24. Break it up. Hands in the air. Yeah. 12 and.
2.
Okay, Eli. 12
12, 6,
and.
2.
Is your name Eli?
No.
Then stop.
That's my favorite.
Eli. 6 breaks up into
3,
and.
2.
So the prime factorization of 48 is
4 times 4.
Is 24, 2
is 2
times 2 times 2 Times 3?
You used 1, 2, 3
Times 2. Oh no.
times.
3.
Last thing, do you have to put them in this order from lowest number to highest number? No. Am I gonna ask you to still do that? Yes. And this is the big thing, making sure you cross one out at a time. So circling the prime number, then cross them out as you use them. Because this is gonna make correcting much easier for us. So I'm gonna ask you, hey, make sure. Technically doesn't matter. No, technically it does not matter. But I'm gonna ask you, put them all, lowest number first, highest number last. That's all I got. We're done.
Oh,
Well, not really working.